Hey guys, Kurt here, and I want to welcome you to my bonus page for myMailit. Now, I'm not going to spend any time in this video talking about what the myMailit software is. You can learn all about myMailit on the sales page. In fact, I've also left my review video for myMailit on this page here down below, so you can also check that out, learn my take on it, what I think about it, and get a sneak peek inside the software and inside the members area. What I want to do in this video, though, is I want to draw your attention to the bonuses I'll be giving you when you take action now and you grab your copy of myMailit through my link. So if you scroll down past this video on this page, you're going to see a ton of bonuses. In fact, you'll see tens of thousands of dollars worth of bonuses that you're going to get for free with your purchase of myMailit. In fact, this is the largest bonus package in terms of value that you'll find from any affiliate promoting myMailit. Right? Now, a few things you need to keep in mind. First of all, right below this video, you're going to see a countdown timer. Okay, that timer is going to tell you two things. Number one, it's going to tell you how long the launch of myMailit will be, and also it's going to tell you how long the bonuses are good for. Because once that timer hits 0, the launch will be over with, and the bonus will be pulled away. They'll be gone forever. Now, myMailit is going to be launching. Keep this in mind. It's going to be launching April 8th, 2018 at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay. And it's going to close out the night of April 10th at midnight, so 11:59 p.m. the launch is going to close. Okay, you have a short window of time to get myMailit at the best possible price and to secure the bonuses because, as I said before, once the timer below me hits 0, the bonuses are going to be pulled away and they'll be gone forever. And myMailit, if myMailit stays in the market, it will be at a much higher price. Okay, and it may just be pulled away forever. We don't know yet. But if it does stay on the market past the 10th, it will be a much higher price. Okay, so right now, before you do anything else, if you want to go ahead and check out the bonuses, go ahead. But before you go anywhere else, don't leave this page. Click that button down below, grab your copy of myMailit, secure your bonuses, and as long as the timer hasn't hit 0 yet, secure your bonuses and secure myMailit at the best price possible. Okay, with that, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon.